Welcome. If you want to make your Telegram group more accessible, changing the QR code quality is a fantastic way to ensure everyone can join smoothly, whether they're scanning from a phone or sharing your group in print. Today, I'll walk you through the latest method for adjusting your group QR code quality on the Telegram app for PC, following the newest update. First, launch the Telegram app on your computer. Once you're in, head over to the group where you have admin rights. Only admins can generate and modify group QR codes, so make sure you have the necessary permissions. Now, with your group chat open, look to the top right corner of the window and click on the three dots. This will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Manage Group. This section is where you'll find all the key settings for your group. Inside the Manage Group menu, look for the Group Type option and click on it. This is where you can control how people join your group, either by link or QR code. Next, you'll see your group invite link displayed. Right next to this link, there's another set of three dots. Click on these dots to reveal more options. From the menu that appears, choose Get QR Code. Telegram will now generate a QR code for your group. Here's where the new update comes in. You'll notice an option to change the QR code quality. This allows you to select a higher or lower resolution, depending on how you plan to share it. Higher quality is perfect for printing, while standard quality works great for digital sharing. Once you've chosen the desired quality, you can download the QR code to your computer. Now you're ready to share it anywhere, on social media, posters, or even business cards. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can customize your Telegram group's QR code quality and make joining your community easier than ever. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips for managing your Telegram groups. Thanks for watching and happy group managing.